Good morning. Today. Good morning, Sir Martinez and fellow classmates. This is my report about the camera and the eye. The corneal lens is system of our eye. Has the shape of a biconvex lens. It it's form an image by refraction just like the glass of plastic thing. Our eye functions just like a camera. In a camera light,
Ketahuan.
rays must hit the film of screen so that a picture can be recorded. If film is used, it can be processed and a permanent record is made. This is the part of the camera and the eye. This is the film, a picture, shutter, iris, convex lens. The eye is iris, cornea, pupil, lens, ciliary muscle, and retina.
Ciliary muscle.
The camera has the same part of eye as shown in one side of the camera. It is the opening called aperture through which the enters. This opening is covered by a convex lens. A shutter which corresponds to our eyelid open or close the aperture. Thus it can keep the inside of the camera and to keep dark the aperture corresponding to the pupil. Behind the shutter is the iris diagram. The diagram changes the size of the lens, opening in the same manner that the iris controls the size of the pupil to the regulate light that enters. A photographic film which corresponded to the retina is placed behind the iris diagram inside the camera. That's all. Thank you.